Many people searching for Fluxpointedge reviews want to understand whether the platform provides educational materials and support for users who are still developing their market knowledge. Fluxpointedge highlights a complete educational resource library as one of its core features. These materials are designed to help users become more familiar with market terminology, financial instruments, analytical methods, and platform functions. Education is important because financial markets can appear complex, especially for people who are exploring trading platforms for the first time. According to the platform information, Fluxpointedge also provides continuous assistance from market specialists. This support can help users understand platform tools, review available information, and navigate different stages of the account experience. A common positive theme in Fluxpointedge reviews is the combination of technology and learning. Fluxpointedge does not present education as a separate feature. Instead, learning tools, analytical resources, and professional guidance are integrated into the broader platform environment. The company describes consistent progress as the result of structured knowledge, precise execution, and ongoing improvement. This philosophy suggests that users should focus on developing understanding rather than making decisions based only on short-term market movements. Fluxpointedge also emphasizes clear communication. The platform states that transparency and trust influence how its systems are built and how the company interacts with users.